Hello YouTubers, welcome to Helping Attitude with your helping partner. In this video, I will discuss about the most important MCQ question which will help you for becoming a LIC agent. Yes, if you are also interested in being a LIC agent, then check the description box and register now. I know you all are aware of LIC, so if you are 10th pass also, then do apply. So in this video, I will share 40 MCQ questions which are very important from LIC agents exam point of view. So let's start it. Insurance agents. Number one question. Who is protected under the incontestability clause included under a life assurance policy? So the correct alternative answer is insured. Number 2. Section 45 of Insurance Act protects the insured from rejection of claim by the insurer provided the policy has completed. So the answer is 3 years. Number 3. As per the suicide clause, if a life assured dies as a result of suicide after 3 years of issue of policy, what does the beneficiary receive as the claim? So the answer is full face amount of the policy. Number 4. What does first premium receipt FPR signifies? So the FPR signifies that the policy contract has begun. Identify the document that evidences a contract between the insurer and insured. Policy document. If complex language is used to word a certain policy document and it has given rise to an ambiguity, how will it generally be constructed? In favor of the insured. Number 7. With regards to misstatement of age, select the valid option. Number 1. An understatement of age will result in original policy being reissued for a reduced amount. Number 2. An overstatement of age will usually result in refund of premium payment. So the answer is both are correct, 1 and 2. Number 8. Which of the following is not a part of standard policy document? Policy forfeiture provision is the correct alternative. Question number 9. Give us the proof of contract between insurer and the insured. So the proof of contract between insurer and insured is policy document. So the answer is alternative 4. Number 10. Give us an example of standard policy provision. Standard policy provision example is suicide clause, alternative 2. Number 11. Give us an example of policy specific provision. Specific provision is a clause precluding the death due to pregnancy for a lady who is expecting at the time of writing the contract. So the answer is number 4. Question number 12. Which one of the following form the first part of standard insurance policy document? So the answer is policy schedule. Question number 13. Select the correct statement. The policy document has to be signed by a competent authority but need not to be compulsory stamped according to Indian Stamped Act. This is a wrong statement. Number 2. The policy document has to be signed by the competent authority and should be stamped according to Indian Stamped Act. This answer is correct, so the correct statement is answer option number 2. Question number 14. What will happen if the insured person loses the original life assurance policy document? So the assurance company will issue a duplicate policy without making any changes to contract. So in the case of loss of original life assurance policy document, the insurance company always has a duplicate copy of that policy that can be used. Question number 15. Which of the following documents will be issued by insurance company on receipt of subsequent premium after the first premium? So the answer is renewal premium receipt. We always pay the renewal premium. Question number 16. In order for the policy to acquire a grantee surrender value, that is GSW, how long must the premium be paid as per the regulation? The premium must be paid for 3 consecutive years. So the answer is number 3. Question number 17. For a life assurance policy, nomination is always under of Insurance Act 1938. So it is under section 39. Question number 18. Identify the circumstances under which the policyholder would need to appoint an appointee. So the answer is number 2, nomination as a minor. Question number 19. Illustrate the purpose of grace period. So, grace period is it grants the policyholder an additional time to pay his or her premium. So, answer is option number 2. Question number 20. All of the following statements are true with regards to nomination except policy nomination is not cancelled if policy is assigned to the insurer in return for a loan. Nomination can be done at the time of policy purchase or subsequently. Nomination can be changed by making an endorsement in the policy. A nominee has full right on the whole of claim. So the answer is option number 4. A nominee has full right on whole of the claim. Question number 21. When a policy deemed to be lapsed. So a policy is deemed to be lapsed if the premium has not been paid even after expiry of grace period. So the policy provider always give a grace period to pay the premium if the person didn't pay that premium within the in the grace period, then the premium expires and the end policy is deemed to be lapsed. Question number 22. Construct a situation that would require evidence of insurability and revival. So the answer is policy has been lapsed for more than a year. Question number 23. Construct a valid argument in favor of policy loan. So there is no legal obligation to repay the loan. Option number 3 is correct. Question number 24. Select the correct statement with regards to grace period. Choose the most appropriate option. Option number 1. The standard length of grace period is 1 month or 31 days. Option number 2. The standard length of grace period is 1 quarter. Option number 3. The standard length of grace period is 1 week. Option number 4. The standard length of grace period is 1/4 night. So the answer is the standard length of grace period is 1 month or 31 days. So the option 1 is correct. Question number 25. Which one of the following alterations will be permitted by an insurance company? So, splitting up of the policy into 2 or more policies will be permitted. Question number 26. Explain the concept of surrender value. So, surrender value is the cash value associated with a policy in case of premium have been paid for 3 years at least. So, answer is option number 2. Question number 27. How many persons can be nominated under a policy? So the answer is one or more than one persons can be nominated under a policy. So the answer is option number 4. Question number 28. Describe the purpose of nomination. So the purpose of nomination is to appoint a person to receive the policy monies in event of life assured death. So the answer is option number 2. Question number 29. Describe the purpose of assignment. So the purpose of assignment is to transfer the right of the policy. Question number 30. Illustrate the process involved in ordinary revival of policy. So the answer is payment of arrear with interest. Question number 31. Which one of the following document is not accepted as standard age proof document? So horoscope is not accepted as standard age proof document. Question number 32. Which one of the following statement is correct with regards to anti-selection? So the answer is anti-selection is the tendency of people who suspects to know that their chance of experiencing a loss is high to seek out the insurance eagerly and to gain in the process. So the answer is option number 2. Question number 33. Who among the following individuals are considered as high risky by insurance companies? Choose the most appropriate option. So the answer is individuals who are under the influence of sedatives and other stimulants are the high risk by insurance company. Question number 34. Who among of the following is likely to be exposed to health hazard in his or her occupation? So the answer is person exposed to mining dust. Question number 35. Who among the following is likely to be exposed to accidental hazard in his or her occupation? Choose the most appropriate option. So the answer is demolition experts. Question number 36 implies that if the life assured dies from a specified cause within a given period, only a decreased amount of death benefit may be payable. So the answer is lien. 37. Which one of the following statement is incorrect with regards to numerical rating method of underwriting? So the answer is, under this method, underwriters assign the positive points of any positive or favorable factors. So the answer is option number 2. 38. Which one of the following statement is incorrect with regards to judgment method of underwriting? So in judgment method underwriting, in this method the underwriter assigned the positive or negative rating points to the adverse factors. So the answer is option number 4. Question number 39. Mr. Vimal is 32 years old. Here we have a case study. Mr. Vimal is a 32 years old, healthy non-smoker, teetotaler individual who applies for life insurance from ABC Limited. Teetotaler individual who applies for life assurance from ABC Limited insurance company. Which one of the following statement will hold true with regard to risk acceptance by the insurance company? Risk will be accepted at ordinary rates. Option number 1. If Mr. Brijesh, a 40-year-old individual, is perceived as a substandard risk by the insurance company, then which of the following statement will hold true with regard to risk acceptance by the insurance company? So the answer is option number 3. Risk will be accepted with an extra over the tabular rate of premium. So in this video, we discuss 40 MCQs, and for further MCQ and related questions related to LIC agent or other exams, or if you want any help from Helping Other Dude, then do subscribe here to our channel. Thank you for watching this video.